So recently I posted pictures on my other social media accounts, and thankfully I recorded this hairstyle because I got a lot of requests on showing how I did this style. So if you would like to see how I created this quick and simple look, stay tuned. Okay, so for starts, I parted my hair to create a small bang in the front. And then I wrapped a rubber band around it to separate it from the rest of my hair. After you do that, you can either take beeswax, gel, anything to slick your hair up into a high ponytail. I took my ends and I wrapped my hair around the ponytail. You can tuck it under, whichever one is easier for you. Once I smooth my ponytail up, then I will add gel around my edges to create my baby hairs. That's if you want it. If not, you can leave it as is. So this ponytail right here, it's by a company called Outre, and it's the timeless ponytail, and I believe the name is Annie or Annie, and my ponytail is in a 1B. You don't have to use this particular ponytail. Whatever kind you want to use, go for it. Once I install my ponytail, then I will take a piece of the hair from the back and proceed to wrap it around the ponytail just to hide where the ponytail starts and also to give it a more natural, unique look. Now the last step is to curl my bangs, and I'm using the Layla Ali flat irons. As I'm flat ironing my hair, I kind of take the tip and kind of twirl around like you would curlers to create somewhat of a little spiral toward the end. And that's all. If this video was helpful, give this video a big old thumbs up and leave a comment below. I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. Follow me on my other social media sites under TDay6, under Snapchat under The Real TDay6. Thank you so much, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.